Yo guys, what's up? Today I'm here and today oh my gosh, it's so rare inside. So guys, today I just got a new pet. Well, yesterday I got a new pet, but today I'm recording. So yeah, let's go see this new pet. Okay, okay, wait. It's gone. Where is it? Oh wait, here it is. Hold on, let me just turn the camera. This is the parrot. Come on. Okay, it was walking before. Come on. Please. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, why are you scared? Okay. Wait. Look. Come. Look. See. Okay. Wait. Come on. Wait. Don't jump, please. Here you go. Finally, you don't jump. Oh, you wanna get off?
Oh, he doesn't want to sit on there.
Okay, come.
Aww.
Come. My assistant is basically just doing that. Come on.
Come here.
I'm just showing you this.
No, come to me.
Come on. Come on. Hold on. Get up. Hold on. Okay. I won't move. Okay, so, okay, can someone bring the camera over here? Because I want to show you, its talons are literally right here, see? Look how sharp. It's, can they see the talon on the way? Yes, thank you. So, the talons are like so sharp, or the nails. Okay guys, so, we have not forgotten about you. These guys right over here, I hope you can see them. Right here. Okay, so basically, two of the females are for some reason called Jojo and Nicole. Because my assistant named them. Don't know why. So I called the other two birds Zane and Kai. Because those are like basically both of my be quiet please. So because they're both my favorite characters in Legend of Jaga. So yeah. Right here. Hold on. Okay. No, you cannot sing that song and get copyrighted. No, seriously, it's very illegal. Here, go. I think you saw all the birds.
You're not gonna get copyrighted. I'm singing it.
No, still, I'm gonna get copyrighted. So please, you can go sing it all the way over there in the corner, quietly in your head. So here's the loner right here. Then you gotta be quiet, please. I'm making a video.
Okay, there's our parrot.
Here, no, my parrot.
My parrot.
That's just your choice. Bye.
My parrot.
No, be quiet. Go. Bye.
Okay,
No,
bye.
seriously, bye. So here's the parrot. No, yeah, it's still in the biting stage.
I like your parrot.
Thank you. Okay, it's also my assistant's parrot. So yeah, guys, can you please be quiet? I'm trying to make a video. Hello, can you guys be quiet? So, anyways, You can touch the parrot. Yo, why do you want to bite me? Okay. Wait, wait. Okay. Okay. So, guys, that's the parrot. So, that's the end of the video, guys. So, hold on, just give me 5 minutes because the people are meeting. I have meeting. Okay, guys. So, I'm hoping I got the footage. So, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. So, I am calling this parrot. Well, it's only 2 weeks old, so I don't know what to call it actually. So I'm gonna tell you the name in the next video. Oh, I'm getting something super exciting. I'm gonna show you guys something super exciting in the next video. So yeah, guys, see you later, alligators. Goodbye.